Nuna's Demi Next is the most versatile stroller that Nuna offers. The Demi Next comes complete, ready to make it a double. I have a top seat with a 4-position recline, extra large canopy with a mosquito net built into the canopy. It also comes with a rider board for a sibling to be able to ride along, and I have the ability to put 2 seats on it. I can do my infant car seat on the bottom or my infant car seat on the top, and the same stroller seat that is on top can go on the bottom. The Nuna Demi Next has a bassinet that's sold separately, and it's very easy to connect. You just squeeze the 2 levers on the side, gives you nice control on how you pick it up. You line it up and drop it into place onto the stroller. That's it. It's a great accessory to add to your Nuna Demi Next. How to fold a Nuna Demi Next. The stroller will not fold with the seat facing the parent. Squeeze the 2 levers on the side and connect it to go forward facing. Collapse the belly bar and collapse the footrest. Apply your brake down below. Press the 2 buttons from underneath and pull both triggers. It goes down to the ground and it folds and stands. The lock is on the side. With your car seat adapters in it, there's nothing that needs to come off of your frame. Apply your brake, press the 2 buttons from underneath and pull the triggers. It goes all the way down to the ground, and it has a really nice carry handle to pick up. With the brake on, it's also very simple to open up. Just bring it on up and it locks into place. That is how to fold a Nuna Demi Next. Liking this video and subscribing is really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida; Paramus, New Jersey; Middletown, New Jersey; Long Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.